Hello everyone, my name is D. Ashok Kumar from Triple Department. Today topic is a presentation on array of functions. The power of arrays, the power of arrays and functions. Understanding the importance of utilizing arrays and functions together in programming can greatly exchange code efficiently and functionally. Join us who explore the integration of these two program concepts. This is means as called the power of arrays and functions. The basic of arrays. Definition of array is in programming an array is an ordered collection of elements often consisting of the same data type. It allows for easy manipulation and reference to specific elements. The importance of arrays. Arrays are essential in programming as they provide a way to store and organize data. They can also be used to create complex data structures such as multi-dimensional arrays. Application of arrays. Arrays are used in many various programming languages or different purposes, such as to store user input data, create graphics, and to track website. This basics of arrays is mainly concept the importance of arrays and applications of arrays and definition of an arrays. Understanding functions. The mainly understanding functions are called definition of a function, creating a function, benefits of using function. These three types are understanding functions in first definition of a function. In programming, function is set of instructions. First, mainly the programming a function is set of instructions that performs a specific task after the result throughout the code. It can take arrangements and return values. Second topic is the creating functions. The functions can be created and defined either as a stand alone function or as a method of class. They can take varying number of arguments, can return specific values. Benefits of using functions. Functions make code more modular, manageable, and reusable. They allow developers to programming complex operators easily, making dubbing and straightforward and efficient. These are concepts as called understanding functions. The mainly functions are understanding functions. First of all, definition of functions, creating functions, benefits of functions. These three types of functions are called understanding functions. The main part is integration of arrays and functions. Creating arrays in functions. The integration of arrays and functions can improve code organization by allowing the creation of functions that utilize and manipulate arrays to return specific values and data. Passing arrays as arguments. Arrays can also be passed as arguments to functions, allowing for a more dynamic and efficient manipulation of data. These are often used for storing, filtering, and mapping. Disabling array data. Arrays can be displayed on visual components such as graphs and charts, a powerful tool for analyzing and interpreting data. Functions can call on these display features to manipulate the data further. This main concept is integration of array functions. These mainly topics are three: creating functions in functions, passing arrays as arguments, displaying array data. How arrays of functions work? First, mainly definition of an functions. An array functions is an array where each element is a function. This function allows for multiple functions to be called using a single array. Mainly second, creating and using arrays of functions. Arrays of functions are used in various programming languages for different purposes such as mapping and reducing arrays and creating even handlers for web applications. Benefits of using arrays of functions. Arrays of functions allow for greater flexibility in programming by providing a powerful way to manipulate data. They are efficient and reusable, leading to more streamlined code. Examples of application for array functions: web development, data development, game development. The first web development is arrays of functions are often used in web development to create Event handlers such as adding an event listener function to each element of an array of buttons. Data manipulation. Arrays of functions are used in data manipulation tasks, especially for storing, filtering, and mapping, where an array of functions can be used to perform multiple. Third one is game development. Arrays of functions are used in game development for collision detection, updating game objects, and keeping track for score and player status. These are called three main topics is examples of applications for array functions. Conclusion and call further learning. The importance of arrays and functions. Arrays and functions are two essentially programming concepts that provide the foundation for developing efficient and streamed code. Knowledge of how they interact is a powerful tool in programming. The potential of arrays functions. Arrays of functions are useful tools that can simplify code and save developers time and effort. These programming concepts can be harnessed to create dynamic and interactive applications. Thank you, sir.